Experiencing issues with your shift key on Windows 11 or 10? Watch this quick and informative video where we walk you through the step-by-step process to resolve the frustrating problem of a non-functional shift key. To fix the issue of a shift key not working on Windows 11 or 10, Step 1. Restart your computer to refresh system settings. Step 2. Check for physical issues with the keyboard, such as debris or a stuck key. Step 3. Use an external keyboard to determine if the issue is with the hardware. Step 4. Update or reinstall the keyboard drivers. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Locate and expand the Keyboard section. Right-click on the keyboard device and choose Update Driver or Uninstall Device, then restart your computer. Step 5. Perform a system file checker. Scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Allow the scan to complete. Restart your computer. Step 6. Check for malware using Windows Defender or a reliable antivirus program. Step 7. Create a new user account to see if the issue persists. Step 8. If the problem persists, consider performing a system restore or reinstalling Windows as a last resort.